And of them too, you know them youth have the multiple fake page, them and them kind of stuff with them. You know anything if me attack anything, I talk that off of my page. Or if a boy no like that or a girl no like that, you know go suck out. There's something there. What? That me not walk on these people or nothing or walk on Ray. What? Me not hide, my friend. So you see them now? Or them that what? Them boy they fish out. Boy they can't come over here come talk nothing. Yeah, but I not see him. You see if me, you tell me where him name, but I not see nothing. As I say, I can't, the comments them to them move rapid and disappear fast. Me in the DM, it come like I missed the whole story. You know, from them time, I tell him, say, yo, I could do the interview since him did do the one with Russia. Now what? What? You talk about you in the DM, do. So which part I did for message him? Them time I never know say him fish out. If I did know say him fish out, I would have never ever message him. Are you crazy? I never know. I just simply never know. At the time, I didn't know. Simple. You can't understand that. What's so hard in that for to understand? If I did know, I just wouldn't link him. Simple as that. I never know. Blood clot to them people. Them time the man come out come talk say yo him like the guitar style. I'm a guitar man. Never come talk that so never know. No me know. So see me now I clear my name say it no look no way. You see me? Simple. Simple maths. Them fool you can't run with nothing. Enough of them are cruff. Them can't run with that style. Oh, you know them. Suck on the mother. Well, I never know. At the time. Simple. That's it. Alright. A screenshot. Where you try to say? Where him did I try to prove? A screenshot and I show that. Where that I prove? When you read the message them, when you see my last message when I sent to him in a screenshot. Look and see what I said to him. You know see what I'm saying, right? On the blind at that time then I realize I walk on and I realize say, oh, the fish out. Payroll in the department, man. Something wrong here, man. Some don't know how still a beat all me. You're not supposed to see that and say, but look what I'm saying, right, people. See him realize say, right? Batty boy a boy badge. I don't want that, you know. Yo, when you talk him fast. He end alive here, dog. Just cause sake of that. He end alive here. Me no want that badge there. Yo, see me? No him name, no him wanna say, Ray, Percy and, yeah man, hey boy Percy. Yeah, fish. Black Percy and him, you afraid of God, go with you if I live forever you. And name there alone you get black. You see me? Jaii Frais with him fake page boy. Yo, end the life me killer. Suck your mother. People them all beat you. I done your career I don't know you. Yeah. Them two youth they don't have to know that. I drain the man them come look like them come for drain the dancehall energy. You know, try blow out know that. You see one boy what him do. Hey, some real wicked them, you know. That Shensi a song that him go drop with her now after him not drop nothing. You see a whole style that. But Shensi a go with a whole style that now go work with that Shensi. Yo, low them a go. Shensi a better go look at tune with Not Nice. Or Jordan or one of them man them, I tell you. And catch a real hit song. Dan or one of them man them. Don't make them telling you nothing bad about Dan Carleon. Go do a song with Dan or me I tell you something. Girl, you want a hit song? Go check them man there. Because the youth are going to come for drain energy. I see a song where you drop what you your whole style that. Where you go with that? Eh? After the whole of that, after they say 2 years, then I chat to you, you really make go do that whole style, I make the man make the man dry out, I make you do that. I mean, Shensia them for go one side to cause they talk, Shensia can talk something to it. I see him. You see how much made in heaven. Shensia, my boy for that for real. And the Jaii Frais youth. Are them for that. And I see him think them interested in it. Yeah, man. They say, dog, them build back up a page fast. People who never know the style. Or know craft and not see it. Dog drop a whole style. They say she sell her soul. Do you know? No, I don't know. But I'm telling you still, it's not a take out soul out a body and walk around with a price tag on it and sell it. And that and the thing them with them talk and come dope but them something there. You see I see him you know see what I go on now? Eh? Alright. Your boy Ricky 876. Yo, what you there when me used to have we in a dance? Cause nothing now go on, see? And we are promote. The man them thing. I mean I have to turn to Sniggy and say Sniggy. Cause Sniggy I say can't say, oh you do it. I say, oh I'm just Sniggy, you have to know the craft. Make one, remember you know 5 to 10 dance we are going at night, you know. And we don't have a bag of money at the time. You know. One Heineken where I make last the whole dance, though we are sick that the Heineken look cool and everything every second. Like a brand new Heineken. So you do it. You see? Yeah man. No, you know, first rush on a perform, you know. Some fest, when Vibes Cartel turned to me and say, yo, Dust, here we go on. You lead out, just lead out the man them, because every man nervous, you know. And me, for me, lead out. It's when me I walk rush on the side of me, so, you know, I lead them out, you know, everybody, you know. Zine? And me first go stand up in front of a crowd of 40,000 people in a broad daylight, you know, some fest this, you know. Who the dead is supposed to remember this? And it's on the internet too. You know I'm showing a picture and video, I'm dead. I mean, I'm cartel, Russian to my left, cartel to my right. I'm standing at Jaii station. See that? Jaii. The picture not dead, I can pull up a picture right now and show you that blood. Matter of fact, what we done, I'm post a picture and show you. I'm not lie, I'm not. So I'm not the first in my perform. Anyway, the thing is, when him come out, we're nervous because we never there in front of 40,000 people yet. So the dog nervous as shit. Zine? You see when not nice here, so I press blood clot button and we go here because a fast starting tune, you know, that's all you have to start it, you know, the and then him have to go say V-neck, T-shirt. You see when we hear the dog look for me and I look for the dog same time and I don't know, oh the man catch it and the man say V-neck and catch it right past for T. What do you? Lift up some fest. Them boy them not real again, them not real people. Yo, stop chat about them man there, dog. When I like go back in the history books, me I tell you something. 40,000, lift up that. You see me? Well, say, let's be honest, around the ground. Brother, yeah, fish out, man. That's why, man. I him this one people, man. I must them that, man. Yeah, man. Out of here. Never want to learn no engineering, brother. Don't claim look like engineer. You're not engineer. Them not ready yet, people. Oh, them no, man. Them not run nothing, man. Them not run nothing at all, man. I'm going to tell you, give them hot right now. So make them run with that and work with that. Give them a couple months, bro. I guarantee. Dead out, fade out, lame out, fish out, batty out. Give them a couple months. You also know I see what I go on. My words are come to pass. Alright, remember me have my movie of blood clot dropping the business with that soul. Oh. For them thing local or rural. My thing international. We are rampant. What do you out? I sit down, man. Me go and deliver my package them till my move a drop. Who not like that? Suck on a mother. What do you know? The deaf. That's something that I can finally done rise on you one. Nobody now will no blood crack next for what. Yeah, man. You see me? This way me I do and that way me been do. Them can't do that. Them can blood clot come on Instagram live a whole 6,000-7,000 people for that 2.5 hours. Them can't do that. Remember I tell you, nobody don't want to see them like that, my friend. Talk with matic. Brawling, you see me heart me there. Then thing come across this, man. What I'm telling you. Think of water jump out of this. No guitar, man. You see it? That's the thing there. Move forward again. But then be like next page. Yeah, I tell you, I don't know walk and talk and move, so. Walk and talk, I see drop and sleep in a little car and get out there. I first car that walk and talk ever won. A man like Get Up and them area. Get Up and man who own all 3 house and 20 car and 40 taxi. Them man they do the real thing. Get Up and them never sell out. You understand? Walk and talk now, I don't know when he get money and get so rich. You have to know there's something there. For them sell out. If you're car and if you're red. You see walk and talk, just sit down there like a puppet. And the man a clown walk and talk every day and talk about things. Which real man are going to sit down there and just take them slide in there and then crown in there and everything. You know, depend that. Mickey Mouse business, the money I deal over there, so brother. But just you people want a little laugh and a little ray and they love the mix up. They run, go over, they go, ray. I never watch an episode of him podcast yet. You understand? Never. So, I don't know that. I mean, the Russian thing, I see it on Instagram, I see that one. Yeah, I never like me go YouTube or type in the Jaii Frais podcast thing and go watch them, so. I don't want to say then, oh, you know about the Russian thing. On Instagram, I did see that one. Man, them not have manners. Man, them not have morals. Man, them not have nothing about them people. You understand? That's it there. Me, you see it. Right now, I'm off. So, what? Paydays tomorrow, I'm off again. And I get paid. Anything my family want, I can buy, give them. You understand? That's my thing. Them. I don't know what the next man is. Them boy, they want a car and ray and them thing down. You know, depend that. But right now, we are looking at as a nice house, more. We even want to jump the gun without buy nothing yet, car. We are waiting till the movie drop out, we take off, we can buy something nice. Big fat house with pool around a backyard and big land space. Or people, no, I'm not flap out my thing, because them, when we get money, then can't, they're not a style, man. So, you understand? Me are showing you what I go on, I'm not left out, man. We are showing a style and pattern on for roll. What do you, man? We step in at any party or anywhere, man. The energy alone where we walk with people just always have to look. From me I talk about from before Instagram or something. You see me? Like, show Instagram. You want to show Instagram the Hitler hairstyle? Show the life. Watch mom's Hitler hairstyle, people. Show them the Hitler hairstyle. You see me? Yeah, them now youth and them something they can do them something with. Or fish them. You see it? Them boy that's very much swimming in beer. You see me? Lele water. Imagine that youth. And there's a sperm for go. And a lele water sperm like. Or egg and ray. You see me? Warm pum pum. That me know about. One mumsy. Yeah man. That's the thing the people. You understand? Pretty baby. You understand? Yes I. That is it. Yeah man, boy them over there play guitar band, you know. Yeah, that's the thing man. Belly up, you know. You see me? Boy, they can't walk in our shoes, you know, my friend. Oh. Them man, they play water polo and swim for Jamaica. And them man, they are no fish. So how it work. And them man, they used to live in a pool. Eh? And them man a fish. Billy one of them youth, they have the most blood clot girl ever me know. In a back in our time. And he still have him girl and him a baby mother and youth and everything. And what do you know? Learn the thing. Yeah, man. March 29th hour. An umbre party that. Cause y'all get blocky for that, you know. Sorry, y'all get black. I live when I know that. But that's not trust ya. Black. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. No disrespect, but that's not trust ya. I don't trust that date any either. Yeah. Billy Simpson. I'm telling you. People see man injured there, you know. I'm telling you. Indy, what you say? Boy, rough shot. Shane knows, buckler. Easy, yo. Shane wonder, you know. Yeah, big up to everybody in our life, you know. They said, you know, deal with around here, we'll keep it real. No facade, no rare, you know. Yeah, man, that is it, man. Yo, KXL girl forgot keep her KXL now. Hear that? People I want the KXL girl anyway she there now, eh? She need to keep her KXL. Home girl just make sure you bake the cake them the real way, you see it? Use gloves already, have on the net over your ear already. Now make no kind of nothing drop in our cake. You see it? Here what you do now. You go live while you bake the cake them so the people them can see what I go on. You see me and keep your cake sale, my friend. And sell off your cake them and make her money. People, I want when you say she keep our cake sale, eh? And you go support our cake sale straight. And that's how we do our thing around here. Cake sale girl, free promo, you don't have to give me nothing, my friend. And she my black. Boom buckler. Man them say cake sale girl my black. Boom buckler. Cake sale girl, make a fake page fast and far back thy life. I can't believe it, star. I can't the cake sale girl my black. A joke thing this. Father God, forgive me for they know not what they have done. I cake sale girl really black. All the blood clot this. Instagram, help me out now. Free out the cake sale girl right now. God bless the cake sale girl and her cake them. People, support the cake sale girl. I can't believe it. Never know the cake sale girl, my black. Cake sale, free promo. Cake a sell out. $1,000 give a slice of cake. Slice them fat and comfortable. You see me? Sale out March 25th on the cake sale. Baby girl, I never know where you talk about March 25th. Because I remember boy I keep party, so I never trust the date. You see me? You have to know that. Sail out on the cake them. Right throughout the day. Any day name. Here where you do, my friend. Use a fake page and link me in a DM and tell me say you're a cake sale girl and send me back the original cake sale. And you send me do up a flyers, my friend. Zane. And send me flyers and I post it for free. You understand? Cake sale. And that's the thing, because that's how we do it, you know. John, no. Sorry. Sorry, cake sale star. I never know. March 29, cake sale right now. Remember that. Support the cake sale girl. Never know say she a black star. I just, you know, that's a minister thing go. What you understand? Some things have to slip through the pipeline sometime. You know it go. One of them things there, you know. What them say? Cake sale girl star. Hold on, man. You see what I go at? Cake sale for days, you know? Yeah, man. One of them something, man. Cake sale girl. Big up yourself. No, as real as it gets. I never know how the cake sale girl my black. Oh, nah, take no check as well. Ah, see it there? Nah, take no check about my buckler. See it? Yeah, little friendly fire a while ago, you know? Watch your friendly fire. But I saw it go people. I saw we do our thing around here and over here. Joy, you know? Love. I make you ask if Sizzla my artist. Sizzla my artist, yes. Matter of fact, you want to know something? There's a Sizzla song where every single morning, when I dip on the works, that turn up loud in a rich people them complex. Loud. Because it me start my morning them. And get going and know say, yo, what do you? I chop them here, you know, man. I rip and deliver them here and come off a blood clot road, you know, and go in, you know. And collect, you know. That's my thing there. Yeah, Sizzla, no time to gaze. You know, go look it up. There is no time to gaze. Some come to store it up and try corrupt what Bingy man create, yo. Tell them change them ways. Bingy use no real people mess up the way. So, till days, yo. You know, she said them are gays. Them come to store it up and try corrupt it. Selassie open every age. Yeah. Ethiopia see now stretch bout. The King Selassie I no more rocking at the boat. Things are get ready na the western coast. Enough of them are dead, they might think say a joke. Them have the money and still them can't float. I come to separate the sheep from the goat. Looking at the fi see who a bust it short. Give them the chalice and them end up a choke. I coke at them. Can't burn ears, they run go snot cock. If I had the fire then who are the smoke. Give the youth the kilt. Oh, I'm told now. They must come together, Rastafari and a joke, not take no talk. You know, she said them are gays. Them come to store it up and corrupt what the Bingy man create, yo. Still see open every day. What do you? Every morning, that chump, Lord, people, white people, them stairs up, be a rich people, be a millionaire, look out. Oh my God, look at that. What? On Shelly Road. Quick and fast. I saw me go to work, man. You see it? Yeah, man. Just say them people. If I could have go live, I just show you don't know where I work, so you don't know. Can't to break protocol, but if I could have go live, let's see how I did my thing, man. Machine style, man. Yeah, man, quick and fast, man. Do what you do, man. Not itchings. Yeah, man. Sizzla Kalonji, my artist, my friend. Me have a Sizzla and a Sizzla voice for me already. Yeah, man, they call all my name and I tune and everything. I end up sell half of the rights of the rhythm to my brethren Kirkley. I end up they drop it on the time. I remember if you need to change the rhythm name or what, but it's still the same song, Sizzla call my name, everything. Yeah, man. But me produce, build the rhythm, everything, voice them up, everything. Matter of fact, I left one day. Sizzla come record at the studio. I end up there for go to the bank. And the rhythm there play. And when I left, Sizzla must have far around the studio part now, from out of the rehearsal part, and the rhythm there play when I left. And since he paused it, to this day, I don't know if it's a bad mind thing or a joke. No, a Sensei did advise him. Yeah, man. Sensei end up the pause the rhythm, I think, because Sensei they got to do somewhere. But them time the Sizzler walk a forward around and him done a hear the rhythm a jump. So when him reach now, him say, yo. Me hear him say, yo. No, what the blood clot? Me dead there when him a do this. I left me, end up off a left when him a met. Because him dead him start teach me about the Hebrew language. You remember who the dead remember, man. Blooders, you remember that day there? Me the dead man, before. And when me left and come back now, me here say, yo, listen to this Kansi. And Sensei press the plate like Sensei advise him while me there at the bank. And I say, yo, I lie, whoa, buckler, Sizzler Kalanji. Great Kalanji, you know? Voice a mad piece of tune. Now is the time, this is the time, every time. Make it, man. We get a youth, them rise up, them time up. The youth, no. It was a bad tune, dog. You see me?